to transform my space in minutes. So I got this pack of wallpaper. So stick with me and you'll see what my room looks like once I relocate my items and change out a few things.
Refreshing a room can be a great way to give it new life without a full renovation. Here are a few ideas to help you refresh your space. Rearrange the furniture. A simple change in the layout can make a room feel entirely new. Paint or accent walls. In this case, I opt for peel and stick wallpaper. Update lighting. Swap out old light fixtures for something more modern or unique. Introduce new textiles. Change out throw pillows, curtains, or rugs can instantly change the look and feel of the room. Play with textures and colors. Declutter and organize. Add greenery. Houseplants can bring life and freshness into a room. Stay with me to see the amazing transformation that I do with this room just by simply following the tips.
Compared to the rest of my home, my living room, my dining room, I tend to change up pieces here and there. Sometimes I change it up for the season, or I change it up just because I got a new vase or new flowers and I just want some changes within those space. But my room relatively stays the same throughout the season, throughout the years. Relocate or change some of the furniture pieces, or I would add something very small like a picture on the wall just to give it a little bit of a different feel. But this time I am going to change not only the position of the bed, but I'm going to change a few of the pieces. I'm going to change my side table. I'm also going to add wallpaper. I found this at Home Depot and it is peel and stick wallpaper. I wasn't really a big fan of wallpaper, but when I see this one here that can give me some texture and to add some depth to the walls, I decided to go with it. It also says that it's easy to remove. So if I decide that I don't want it anymore, it shouldn't be a hard labor job to get it off the wall. So I'm going to go by what the instruction says and follow through with it. I'm just going to peel it off. I guess the adhesive is on the back, and then I'm going to stick it to the wall. I also got this here, I guess just to make sure that there's no bubbles and to smooth it out. I got 2 packs because I think 2 packs should do. I'm not doing all 4 walls. I'm just going to do 1. And I might just do the smallest wall just to see what it looks like.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
I ended up having to go out to get one more pack of the drywall stick and peel because I was just short. So I had originally gotten 2 packages and now I needed 3 just to get the job done. I thought I could have hid some of it from with the bed at the bottom, but I decided that I'm not even going to do that.
daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take a wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't.